Hello dear student, welcome to Dream Day School. Let's now start your next chapter, your new chapter, chapter 11, Force and Pressure. Okay dear student, let us see this chapter. This is your new chapter, chapter 11, Force and Pressure. Okay dear student, let's now start learn about force. Okay dear student, let us see this. Content in this chapter we learn about force and pressure, force, pressure and types of force. Okay dear student, and effect of force. Let us let us know first about force. What is the force? What is force? Force is the push or pull on an object. For example, if an object has to be moved, it has to be pushed or pulled. Okay? The SI unit of force is Newton. Okay, dear student? Once again, I am repeat this. Force. Force is the pressure of pressure. Force is the pull or push on an object. Okay, dear student. Cause of a force. Whenever a force is applied, there is interaction between two bodies. In other words, we can say that interaction between at least two bodies is necessary for application of a force. Okay? Force are due to interaction. An interaction of an object of one object and interaction of an one object for example, if man stands behind a car, the car does not move. If he push, if he pushes the car, he applied force and the car began to move in the direction of the applied force. Let us see in this figure. Okay? Force depend on when two or more forces are involved, the strength of the force, that means net force, depend on the direction of each of the forces as well as as well as its magnitude. Okay? When forces are applied in same direction, they get add together, whereas when the forces are in opposite direction, the net force is difference of the forces. Okay, dear student? Resultant force, that means when these are these person are pulled a rope in opposite direction. Okay? Then this two man force equal to this three man force. Okay? Case 2, two person are applying force in opposite direction to push the table. Let us see in this figure. Okay? In case 3, direction of motion. Two person are applying force in same direction to push the table. You also let us see in this figure. In next slide, exploring forces. If two forces act on a body in the same direction, the net force is the sum of two forces. For example, when F1 and F2 applied on a body, then your resultant force, that means net force, equal to F1 plus F2. Let us see in next other example B. If two forces act on a body in opposite direction, the net force is equal to difference between the two forces. For example, when F1 and F2 are two forces applied on an object in opposite direction, then net force equal to F2 minus F1. The effect on ob, the effect on the object depend on the net force acting on it. Okay, dear student. Thank you. Have a nice day.